everyone. I hope you all are fine, safe and healthy at your home. So let us start our today's session. In our today's session, I have brought the study of reactions in the solution. So first of all, we will study about what is the solution, and I will tell you what are the main parts of the solution and how can we do the different calculations related about the solution. Okay, so you let us see here what I have written about the solution. It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more chemically non-reacting substances. Here we must know that homogeneous, it is not heterogeneous. Hetero means different, homo means same. Okay, so solution is a homogeneous mixture in which two or more substances chemically non-reacting it should be. Okay, so here you have to understand solution may contain two main parts. One is to be of solute and second is to be of solvent. Solute is always present in a small extent, solvent is present in large extent. So let us indicate solute will indicate with the alphabet B and the solvent will indicate by the alphabet A. So let us talk about, suppose we are having the sugar solution. So in the sugar solution, sugar is present in the small extent and water is present in the large extent. So sugar will act as a solvent and water will act as a sugar will act as a solute and the water will act as a solvent. Okay, so that was the introduction about the sugar solution. Let us talk about the, suppose we are having the salt solution. So in the salt solution, solute will be salt and solvent will be of water. Is it clear? Because water always be present in the large extent. Okay, so let us understand about the few ways how can we calculate the concentration of different part. So one, it is to be of mass percent or the weight by weight percent. So suppose weight by weight percent, here we have to take the given amount. Suppose I am talking about, suppose I said that 20 gram of glucose, the formula it is to be of C6H12O6. Okay, now so 20 gram, this will be of given mass, that we must know that. If we will find out the molar mass by putting 12 into 6 plus 1 into 12 plus 16 into 6. So in this way we can find out the molar mass. So here we are talking about this mass weight by weight, not we are talking about the molar mass. So given mass of the solute divided by the mass of solvent plus solute into 100. This is the way to calculate the weight by weight percentage. Next, suppose we are calculating the weight by volume percentage. So here we have to take the weight of solute divided by the volume of solute and the solvent. Here it means we must know that this is the volume of solution and it should be multiplied by 100. Okay, now let us talk about the mole fraction. Mole fraction is what? Here you have to understand, it is the ratio of the number of moles of particular component to the total number of moles of the solution. So here I just want to tell how you will find out the fraction or the ratio of the numbers of moles of solute with the solution. So we must know first how to calculate the numbers of moles. So the numbers of moles, how it is to be find out, given mass upon the molar mass. Okay, so now in terms of given mass upon molar mass, same thing, like suppose 20 gram of glucose we are talking, so 20 gram, W will be of 20 gram and molar mass we have to calculate by putting the values of here suppose we are taking the sugar, this is for C12H22O11, this is the formula of sugar. So as we have to calculate the molar mass of sugar, so 12 into 12 plus 1 into 22 plus 16 into 11. So this is the way to find out the molar mass. So given mass upon molar mass, this is the way to calculate the number of moles. Okay, so now suppose we are calculating, as we have taken the alphabet B we are using for the solute. So the NB, numbers of moles of solute, that will be equal to WB upon MB. Suppose we are talking about the numbers of moles of solvent, so WA upon MA is to be used. Okay, so let us talk about the mole fraction. Mole fraction, it is to be denoted by the X. So XB, this is the mole fraction of solute. So this is the ratio of numbers of moles of solute with the numbers of moles of solution. So here NB upon NA plus NB. So as we will modify this NB in the form of WB upon MB, here WA upon MA and here WB upon MB. So in this way we will find out the mole fraction of solute. So let us talk about the mole fraction of solvent. Na upon Na plus Nb, this is WA upon upon ma divided by wa upon ma plus wb upon mb. So here we must know that for a solution, the sum of number of mole fraction of solute and solvent, that is always equal to 1. So as you have to find out the mole fraction of solvent, so 1 minus xb numbers of moles of solute is to be done. It is not compulsory to do the calculation once again in a long way. Okay. Now let us talk about the next, how to find out the strength. So strength, it is to be the amount of solute in grams per liter of solution. So how the strength of solution, it is to be calculated? Mass of solute in grams divided by volume of solution in liter. So mass of solute here we have to take. So the unit of mass, this is of gram, and volume we are taking in liter. So gram per liter, it becomes the unit of strength, gram per liter. Okay. So here the point which I have written about the solute, solvent and the strength, mole fraction, I hope you all have got it properly. That's all for today's session.